What are you doing? You got the hiccups? They're not very fun, are they? No, they're not. I'm sorry. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. Boop, 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 boop. You trying to eat my finger? Yep. You're trying to eat mommy's finger. Are you getting hungry? Get your nose. Oh, I was getting angry. The arm's going. How's your arms going? Hey, why'd you stop that for? Is it those hiccups? Yeah. You want to get rid of them? Big yawn.